Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to fit Ford Fiesta wind deflectors, making it a simple and straightforward process. First, ensure your window channels are perfectly clean. Use a small screwdriver to clear any debris. Next, roll down all your windows fully. Don't forget to remove the clear protective film from both sides of your new wind deflectors before you begin installation. Now, let's install the front deflectors. Begin by sliding the front edge of the deflector into the window channel, close to the wing mirror. Then, gently flex the deflector to guide the rear edge into the channel. Carefully push the entire deflector upwards into the rubber seal, ensuring it's seated firmly and evenly. It should feel secure and aligned with the door frame. Many wind deflectors come with small clips for extra security. Take these clips, usually 2 or 3 per deflector, and slide them into the window channel. Use a flathead screwdriver or a specialized plastic tool to gently push them firmly into position. Make sure the smooth side of the clip faces outwards. Distribute them evenly, perhaps one in the middle and one near each end, about 1 or 2 inches from the corners. For the final step, slowly raise each window. If your car's anti-trap system causes the window to drop, gently assist it upwards. Once all windows are closed, leave them undisturbed for a full 24 hours. This crucial step allows the rubber seals to properly mold around the deflectors, ensuring a perfect fit. After this, your windows should operate smoothly, and you can enjoy your new deflectors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.